Hello my friends, welcome on this video tutorial. I will show you today how to fix connection between both of these earbuds. So if you try to connect these earbuds but you can't, and you are saying these earbuds don't work anymore and they are not connecting together anymore, I will show you how to reset the earbuds and make it works again. I will show you right now very easy tip. First of all, remove your earbuds from their box. We have to shut it down first. Okay, keep it both. Push and hold for 5 seconds. Okay, you see the red light, and now both of these earbuds now are turned off. So what we have to do next, we have to push the button in the same time on both of them, and we will see the reset flashing lights, red and white, twice. Okay, so watch carefully right now. You have to do exactly what I'm doing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, keep pushing.
Hold for 7 seconds.
Okay, once, twice, release. So now connection between both earbuds, it will work great. Okay, what we have to do, let's test. Push and hold for 3 seconds to turn it on. 1, 2, 3. You see? Okay, so now you see the connection between earbuds, it's done. And we see the earbuds right is searching to connect with your device. So now what do we have to do? You just connect your earbuds with your smartphone right now, and it will work both of these. I just show you how to reset earbuds and make it work again. Thank you for watching Tips to Fix. If you have any questions, just write me a comment below. If you have any video requests, just write me an email on tipstofix@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the ring bell on to get the notification for new videos like this. God bless you.